What's going on, fellas? So after I removed the mice net from right here, still a little bit of smell, not bad at all, but still something like the whole truck. So I got this. Ozone generator. I'm gonna plug it in into this generator, put it here with everything, all the windows closed for like 45 minutes, 1 hour, and I want to see how is the smell after this ozone generator. So let's plug this thing and turn it on. That's how it looks like, guys. And a little screen here with the temperature and I don't know, humidity, I think. Okay, let's plug this thing. I got the power cord, everything is on. Place this somewhere in the middle of the truck, I guess. Let's do it here and turn it on, and just like that. Oh, I can already smell it. Let's do 60 minutes or 80. Oof, I can already smell it. Okay, let's close the door and leave this here. Okay, it's been a while. Let's see. Holy moly. Almost done. Whew. All right, fellas, I think it's done. Let's see. No, it's still working. Okay, now it's done. Turn this off. It smells nice now. What a difference. Whew. I hope it's gonna stay like this, which I don't think so, but at least for a little bit did a good job. Wow, this little thing, guys. Since Red Sparrow smells nice, we're gonna do the same with Shorty. This one smells okay because I remove everything except the seeds and few pieces like this and behind here. But it smells okay. Well, I'm going to turn this machine here anyway. Look at this beast. So again, applying here. Let's do 1 hour here. Oof. You can smell it right away. In the meantime, fellas, this one is getting the ozone machine. This one is done. I just greased the whole thing. Kingpins, brakes, the tie rods, and I'm gonna dump the oil and change the filter. There's only one oil filter on this one, the M11 Cummins. Alright, pop the hood. I hope I got enough room here. Oof. I don't think so. Yeah, it's gonna be touching No, I don't have enough room, so that's fine. I'm gonna dump the oil and drain it like this. Change the filter with the hood closed. No, I'm not gonna do anything with the hood closed, because then I'm not gonna be able to fill the engine with oil. So I have to back up a little bit and then dump it. So that's what happened, fellas. And now I can even move. No back and no forward. This one is spinning, this one is spinning, and that's it. I'm gonna try to push it with shorty. I think I'm gonna put a tire here between the bumpers and push it with this one. So let's fire up this bad boy. Whoa! One is running. Let's start this one. Oh, there is still air, so I don't even have to start it. Just release the brakes. They are actually released. Yeah, they are released. But I'm gonna start this anyway. Tire here. I'll try to push it. I got it, guys. Well, that was crazy. No damage. Only tire marks. Crazy. We got it, guys. AC is on. Let's take it for a spin around the shop. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna come and change the oil. Obviously, I'm gonna park it different way right now, so the wheels are not in these muddy spots. The new horns. Cool. Alright, fellas. I park it all the way around, so now I'm not gonna get stuck in the mud here in my drives. Now it's all good. Shorty is running beautifully. Red Sparrow M11 works like a kitten. Hey guys, see you tomorrow.